Welcome to this StayPrivate tutorial. In this video, we will be covering how to set up the Office 365 plugin. The first thing you will need is your Get Started email, which you'll receive after signing up. Clicking on the Get Started button found in there, and going to the Office 365 section of the website it takes you to. From here, you will be provided with step-by-step instructions on how to install, but we will be covering this in the video as well. First, you will need to go to the Settings tab in the top right corner on the gear icon, and then to click on the Manage Add-ins. In here, you can search for the add-in, which is StayPrivate or Secure Mail. You'll notice it by the StayPrivate logo. Click on the add-in, and it will take you through to the Secure Mail add-in page, and simply click Add. Once this is added, you can close this window and come out of it to then set up the add-in. Click on a new email to compose it, and you'll see the Secure Mail app located in the bottom right corner. Click on this and it will open up the options for you to then finish the setup. You will need your secure email address that is located in the Get Started email you received at the start upon signing up on the website. You can find your secure email address located halfway down in the email, just underneath the Get Started button. Once you have this, you can copy and paste it into the secure email address or type it in, and this is all you'll need to finish the setup.